Hey guys, welcome back. So as a celebration of 1,000 subscribers coming up here, I wanted to do a giveaway. So this will be my first giveaway, and I'll put in the description, I'll go ahead and put what exactly you need to do to participate in that. But this is going to be a $100 gift card for Black Oak LEDs. Had these for about 5 years. They work really well. I have them on a remote, and I also had some in the back too, so I look forward to that. Good luck. So let's go ahead and move on to the Ironman tires. All right, so the main topic today is going to be the Ironman tires, the MT version. If you saw my part 1 video, I did have a different truck. That was my 04. I had those tires for 5,000 miles, and then I ended up selling the truck. So, and they were great for those 5,000 miles. I went ahead and put similar tires. These are 285 70/17s on stock. These are the stock rims. I had these tires for almost 50,000 miles, which I think is great for these kind of tires, that with them being such meaty tires, mud terrains. I keep track of, in my little green book here, what I put on the truck, how many miles I had when I put on the truck, so I do a really good job at keeping up with that kind of stuff. These front ones I'm going to go ahead and get replaced today because they are the worst out of all of them. You can see here how this one's pretty low, this one's kind of high. I usually run between 55 and 65 PSI. I waited too long to rotate my tires, and it kind of screwed up these front tires a little bit. Other than that, I think they worked. They have been the best tires, and I would highly recommend them. 80% of the time I have loads on the back of the truck. I also have trailers that I tow. With all the miles that are on this truck have had loads or trailer on it, just like I have right now. These back ones I'm going to go ahead and leave for right now because I can still get probably a good 5,000 miles, maybe even more off of them. You can see here, these are actually still got a good amount of gap in there. I've gone through some snow, quite a bit of rain, sand, mud, wet grass. It really does a really good job at gripping on, especially these corners here and the sidewalls here do a really good job at gripping onto the road. I really wanted to go with 40-inch tires, but obviously with 40-inch tires I would have to lift up the truck, and that's not in the budget right now. Something I wanted to show you too with these tires, like I said, these are only 33s. You can see back here at full turn it hits the sway bar. So I obviously can't go any bigger in the front unless I have spacers. I do have 2-inch hub-centric steel spacers from wheeladapters.com, and they have been great. I've had no issues. And again, I put a lot of load on the back of this truck, so those spacers have done justice. And the spacers are actually the same amount of miles as well. From my last video that I made, the most questions that I was asked was, how long do they last, and how loud are they? So, because they look pretty loud because they're an aggressive tire. They're actually not that loud. They do make a humming noise going down the road. They're not as loud as some of those tires that I've heard out there. So if you're worried about that, I wouldn't really worry about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep you posted. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. I got a lot more stuff I still haven't even added to my YouTube videos, and a lot more to come as this truck starts building up and becomes a beast, the Kraken.